So through all of this, there is some hope and some signs that progress is being made. According to RAINN, sexual violence has fallen by half in the last 20 years, which is a huge step. So I'm going to link the RAINN website below, so if you swipe up, you can go on their website and sign the pledge to help end sexual violence and assault in America. If you've signed the pledge, but you want to do more, you don't want to stop there, a simple Google search will tell you all of the places near you that you can get involved in helping end sexual assault and provide support for survivors. So I just searched how to end sexual assault near me, and all of these options popped up. So there are so many awesome places near me, and if you just do a little bit of research, it's super easy to start volunteering a little bit of your time or your money if you would rather to help end this epidemic in America. So as I said, April is also National Child Abuse Prevention Month. So according to the National Children's Alliance, about 700,000 children are abused in the U.S. annually. CPS, which is Child Protective Services, works to protect about 3 million children. And according to the National Children's Alliance, about 4 out of 5 abusers are the children's parents. So that's just some of the statistics. So I'm going to link below some more on the National Children's Alliance website. So swipe up if you want to learn more about that. It should be said that if you think you know someone who has been a victim of sexual assault or child abuse, you should definitely reach out to any of the trained professionals in your area that can help your friend deal with what has happened to them. Don't try and take matters into your own hands by yourself. There's help there. So I'm going to put some resources on the next photo that you can reach out to. So if you or someone you know has been a victim of sexual assault or child abuse, there are definitely resources around you, and you should absolutely reach out and use them. So much for watching. I hope that I could help you learn some new facts and statistics. Please keep following along with this movement throughout the month of April on social media and in the news. Get involved if you can and if you're willing and want to. And as I said, I just want to reiterate this. If you or someone you know has been a victim of one of these crimes, please don't be afraid to reach out and call one of those numbers that I posted. Thanks!
Hi y'all, Maggie here, and I'm going to be running the social NN news account for the next hour. So right now I'm headed to an agility workshop hosted by Capital One, so let's go check it out.
Hi, my name is Charles Hill. I'm a junior, double majoring in finance and Plan 2, and I came to this event because I'm a strong believer in digital agility and being able to adapt to the times, and so I'm really excited to see what Capital One has in store.
Hi, my name is Cameron Wang, and I'm a sophomore management information systems major, and I wanted to come to this agility workshop today hosted by DSP because I'm taking my first intro finance class next semester, and I was thinking that this could be a good intro to what I would be learning next semester, so I'm really excited to learn a lot.
Okay, that's it for me, y'all. Until next time.
Hi, I'm Katie Lundstrom, reporting from Brooklyn, New York for Social NN on the L train closure that's going to happen 1 year from now.